In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new AI function in Google Sheets. This exciting addition to Google Sheets is designed to make your data analysis tasks more intuitive and efficient. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at using this innovative tool to simplify your work. Let's dive right into it. The new AI function in Google Sheets is incredibly user-friendly. Its primary requirement is a prompt coupled with the range of cells you want it to analyze. Simple, right? Before you can take advantage of this function, you'll need to apply for access to Google Workspace Labs. This is essential because it's where this cutting-edge feature is rolling out. So, make sure you take care of that step first. Once you have your access granted, you can start using the function immediately. The process is straightforward. Begin by typing =AI, that's XAI, then press the Tab key on your keyboard. This will initiate the function, and you'll notice a space open up for you to input your specialized prompt. This is where the versatility of the AI function shines. Whether you want it to summarize data, categorize information, or generate new text specifically tailored to your dataset, the possibilities are vast. Now let me provide you with an example to illustrate just how useful this function can be. Imagine you want to obtain a concise summary of a particular student's information. Your prompt in this case will be, "Give a short summary of this student." It's as simple as typing it in. Once you've entered your prompt, you'll need to define the range of cells you want the AI to work on. Simply click and drag to highlight all the relevant data for this student. And that's it. You now have a summary generated by the AI function, seamlessly and with minimal effort. It's just a small snapshot of how this function can be applied. But the potential uses are boundless. You could delve into generating personalized text outputs or categorizing vast data sets with remarkable precision. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. While using this feature, make sure your prompts are as clear and direct as possible. This improves the accuracy and relevance of your outcomes. Also, remember the ease of modifying your results by adjusting the range or tweaking the prompt further to fit specific needs. With this tool at your fingertips, you're equipped to transform your data analysis experience in Google Sheets into a more efficient and dynamic process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to apply these steps in your future data projects. Happy analyzing!